Hey guys, it's Chandra and I'm back and I wanted to show you the things that I got to make an album or a folio and to decorate a planner. Got these from Hobby Lobby. They're all the Paper Studio because it was half off. So the first pack was $14.99 and it's Cactus Makes Perfect. It's really cute. If you like cactuses, like I'm obsessed. I've been obsessed. Like when I was in high school, my room was like Navajo themed, like Southwestern themed cactuses, and um, I don't know, like the Navajo patterns, curtains, my bedspread, everything. Um, so I've been obsessed with it for a long time because I'm old now. But this is just straight up paper. It's not cardstock, and it's single sided. And I did not pay attention when I bought it, so I'm going to have to um, mat. I was just going to use it for like a cover of an insert, but I'll figure out what to do. And then I got this Hey Girl pack. This is $19.99, and this is cardstock, but it's single-sided. And well, let me do it this way, I guess, so you can see. Has cute patterns in it. It's not like little girl cute, maybe teenager cute, early 20. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. And then I got some accessories. Just wait, I'm missing some ladies. Where'd the ladies go? I had already started recording this, and my husband came in here. And as for the meat thermometer, and it looks like. Anyway, I bought 2 packs of ladies. There's another pack somewhere around here, which is par for the course. I'm always losing something. And then I got some packs of cactus stickers, and then I got these charms. Thought they would look good in the planner. So I have I think my last video was unboxing my Traveler's Notebook, and I used a different kind of cactus paper from a different pack and laminated it to make that. I don't know if I have anything else. No, and this was from Simple Story, so I'll have to redo that as well. So I just wanted to make new inserts and covers for this with the cactus stuff. And I asked on my Facebook page if you guys wanted to see a folio first or a mini album first. So comment below if you want to see which one you want to see first. I'm obviously probably going to do both, but you let me know what you want to see first. And I look forward to talking with you guys. Have a great day. Bye.